Hello everyone, how have you been? I hope that you are doing fantastic by the mercy of Almighty Allah, as well as I am safe and sound. Today in this video, I want to share with you several matters. Because I have thought I will share this matter with my English learner. Yesterday I uploaded an English speaking video on my YouTube channel. That time I have seen many persons they different kinds of comment in my comment box. It doesn't matter. At the same time I have seen they laugh at me. It doesn't matter. You know that I am English learner. For that at present I am to make mistakes and I'm not fluent in English. For that every day I am to practice my English. At the same time I am trying to best in my life. You know that when I was beginner, that time I couldn't make sentence in front of my camera. That time I couldn't practice my English in public place. And when I started my English journey, that time I was crazy to learn English. For that I started my English journey. At present I'm being able to improve my speaking skills. At the same time I'm being able to improve my learning English. You know that it is my big achievement. It doesn't matter if you want to learn English and if you want to improve yourself. First of all you have to more practice every single day. Many people when I practice my English in front of my camera, that time they bad comment me and they different kinds of comment in front of me. It doesn't matter. I know that who I am and I believe that one day I will public speaker. At the same time one day I will teach many English learner and it is my future plan. For that at present I am waiting to improve myself. At the same time I am waiting to learn English quickly. Many people they bad comment me. It doesn't matter. You know that at present I am to make mistakes. Side by side I have taken one decision. If you like at me or if you bad comment in front of me, it doesn't matter. Every day I will practice my English. At the same time I will continue my English journey. If you are beginner, you can do it to improve yourself. Side by side, you know that I'm passionate English learner. For that every day I have to practice my English in front of my camera. At the same time I have to describe anything in English. It is my best place for practice my English. You know that no one is perfect. If you are a beginner, you can make mistakes and you can make mistakes in front of your camera. It doesn't matter. When you will continue your English journey, I hope that success will come definitely. So see you next video. Today I want to make it more longer because when I make English video in front of my camera, that time I forget some sentences. At the same time I make mistakes because my pronunciation is not good. But at present I'm trying to improve my pronunciation. For that when I get free time I try to go on my YouTube channel. I try to listen some British English teachers. When I get free time I try to go on my YouTube channel. At the same time I try to listen British pronunciation. You know that British accent is my favorite accent. For that every day I try to listen British accent. See you next video. Best luck for everyone.